In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-approve membership in your Skool group. If you're running a Skool community and you're getting a lot of join requests, manually approving every member can quickly become a bottleneck. Setting up instant or automatic approval helps streamline that process so new members can get inside your group faster without you needing to be online all the time. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and what you need in order to use it. First, start by going to your Skool dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the account that owns or manages the group you want to update. Once you're on the main Skool page, select the specific group or community where you want to enable auto approval. This takes you into that group's home area where you can see posts, members, and your admin tools. Next, look for the settings option. You'll usually find this toward the top or side of the interface, depending on your screen size. Click on Settings to open up the configuration area for your group. This is where you control things like your group details, permissions, and various advanced options. Take a second to confirm you're in the right group before making changes. Inside Settings, find and click on the Plugins section. Plugins in Skool are essentially extra features or add-ons that extend what your group can do. This is where Skool keeps things like integrations and special tools that aren't part of the basic settings. Once you're in the plugins area, you'll see a list of available plugins you can enable or configure for your group. From that list, look for the option called Instant Approval. This is the feature that allows new membership requests to be approved automatically without needing manual review each time. Click on Instant Approval to open its settings and learn how it works for your specific group setup. At this point, it's important to note that in order to actually use instant approval, your group needs to be on a pro plan. If you're on a free or lower tier plan, you'll see a prompt to upgrade before you can turn this feature on. Review the plan details, make sure the pro features fit your needs and budget, and then go through the upgrade process if you decide it's right for you. Once your account is upgraded, you can come back to the instant approval plugin and enable it so your Skool group can start auto-approving new members.